Did you see the Dodge Power Wagon?
I sure did.
Well, of course you did, because you wrote the description.
I sure did, yeah.
My goodness gracious. Battleship Gray and black over black. This thing is full-on custom, and it's a Dodge Series V. It's a 1940 Dodge Series VC G502 Power Wagon pickup. God, what a name. What a name on that. Full-on custom build, rebuilt Cummins 4BT turbo diesel, T19 4-speed manual. It's got heat and air, power brakes and steering. This thing was a work truck back in the day like no other. I don't remember seeing them even as a kid. I don't ever remember seeing them.
Right, they were gone by the time we were kids, yeah.
Yeah, in the 60s, I don't think you ever saw these around, but boy, they're popular. You see them at Barret-Jackson and Meekum, and they're ringing the bell on these prices on these things. Crazy. And
none of them as high as this one.
No, this one might be right up there in the stratosphere area.
I know Garrett had to climb the tires to get up to the cab.
You kind of got to do the Spidey Man thing to get up it. You got to bounce from one tire to the other tire, grab something, hope that you're not grabbing the wrong handle or the whip antenna.
It's very farm-like, and there's no little ladders.
No, there's no ladders. You'd have to carry a separate ladder with you somehow, I guess. But anyway, a really cool piece. And these were all like weapons carriers and carry-alls and ambulances back in the day, and they looked like they would go anywhere.
That's true.
It's like the Lamborghini LM002, which actually is going to be one at Radnor Hunt.
Is that right?
They've got one coming to the show. It'll be kind of cool. So if you get a chance, go check out the Radnor Hunt Concours. It's in September.